Alright, go.
What did you do with your head?
Now, my engineer Ekwutos, that is my name. If you don't know me, go online. You see me, engineer Ekwutos.
You just want
I can construct human being. I can
construct human being.
even this your shoe. I can make this your shoe to be a metal liquid.
Mumuma.
Can you measure this?
This one is
what?
station number 2. Okay, stand up. Let's go to station. Let's go.
Okay. Don't make that mistake.
Engineer Ekwutos, look this one. I am taking to check the measurement of the water so that I can